Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Honda CB500F with ABS. This bike has 8,200 miles and is offered for $5,799 at Contra Costa Powersports. This bike's got a lot of great mods to it that I think you're really going to enjoy. Starting in the back, has a real clean fender eliminator kit with some little mini stock blinkers. Also has a nice aftermarket exhaust, gives it a good deep rumble. Has some adjustable levers that are on there that are really nice looking. Also some fog lights or driving lights have been added. Down below, some LED lights that light up the road when you're driving. There's also an aftermarket horn that people will definitely hear that's been added down there. The bike's been gone through by our service department and been given a clean bill of health and is all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.